Hello everyone, you can learn about how internet travel under the ocean. In that, you can learn on your backend how internet transfer in the side of under the ocean and travel the help of fiber optics. First of all, discuss about how internet work for basic fundamental. When you communicate using a mobile phone, means when you search something in Google that can connect your nearest tire via using radio waves like electromagnetic waves for a better know to a cellular towers that can nearest to your home or some your nearest location. From there, it transmitted over fiber optic cable to the internet service provider. In the down, you mention a image to your better understanding. First, your mobile phone connect to the cellular tower of nearest home. Then, with the help of fiber optics to the cellular tower to your internet service provider means Geo, Airtel. These are the internet service provider that can connect to the internet ISP. The ISP then routes data to its destination, often through high-speed fiber optic line to the run through terrestrial network means the ISP's networks that can transfer your data by the help of fiber optics with the speed of very speed through terrestrial network means very land or sea network lines under the sea fiber optic cables means the ISP can connect to your network to the server, destination server. This in the middle of the cellular tower or ISP to the destination servers, there are some regions like hilly regions and some water bodies are there like rivers and some seas. In this video, you learn about how the internet works under the sea and how the fiber optics are installed in under the sea and some various interesting topics. So going to connectivity, here you know about the basics of optical fiber. First, the outer layer is nylon yarn that can protect the fiber optics, and the second layer is galvanized armor wires means the steel rods are surrounded by the wires that can give extra strength to in the sea region when big species and whales and sharks are not damage the wires. And after that, there is another layer of nylon yarn, and next there is a copper sheath that can provide it is give the information when the some damage occur in the mid of the sea. This copper sheath give the information to the center. There is a problem in the wire, and another layer is like ultra high strength steel wire. They're available, and some silicon gels available. And the last end there is a fiber optics wires are available. It is the basic structure of fiber optics. Let's we go. In these slides, you can learn about how the optical fiber installed. In the real world, the optical fiber installed are specially designed ships. These ships are like you can see the second picture. Here one ship is moving down forward and he is launching a fiber optics wire, and the wire is installed in the seabed, means the lower part of the sea where the hilly like so you can see that the wire is down there and installed there. Then the C is going forward and it can install with the speed. Here are you can see the several prototypes of how the fiber optics are installed. Then you can use the second line. Here in the slide we learn about how it can repair after the mid C of the fiber optics are damaged. We prepare a graphical video for you. Like wait a minute, I can show you. Okay, see in this video is a detailed video of your see a sheep is come and cut the wire and take the upper side of C and bend and lay down. Once again I'll start the video. She's come and take the damaged wire and make and down the sleeve bed. You can this image like see how the wire is damaged after the looking damaged wire. Next slide is worldwide connections. It means show how optical fibers are connected between countries and the sea regions. There is a vast, like very large connection between the sea. In your normal eye, you cannot see. There is a pictorial image of fiber fish connected to the countries with data centers with the help of oceans, regions, and seabeds. And next are some topics like why internet service provider charge fees for internet. Some people are thinking for what purpose the internet service provider like Airtel, Jio are charging money to us for the internet. Here is the basic 4 points for that why they are charging the internet. First of infrastructure investment means ISPs are building maintain expensive networks, fiber cables, towers, routers, and even undersea cable. You fees help funds the digital backbone means when you pay your monthly subscription like 300 to 350 lakhs, then this amount is going to the invest of the fiber cables and some towers, your home towers, and some in those infrastructure behind the your internet for these like their maintenance and new infrastructure development. These money are investment. And for second reason is bandwidth is spent. The second reason is faster internet, more data capacity for your better your internet speed and enhance your performance of your device. That can a main reason to charge money to provide better service to you with better fast internet. Third is maintenance and support from 24 by 7 monitoring of customer to service cybersecurity as we cover ongoing operational cost for keep your concerns stable and secure. Also, government license free. You can learn about if some companies or private companies are like take paid taxes and some spectrum license fees. Means like 4G spectrum. Different companies are buying different wavelength spectrum for their network and regularly charges that ISPs are required to collect. For paying these taxes, they are charges some minimal amount of internet service or paid for customers. Thank you. Connect with us.